Frustrated with the Libidn.dll pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start our guide for Libidn, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Libidn, the GNU Internationalized Domain Names library. It provides unmanaged routines for encoding and decoding internationalized labels, facilitating the network data link for localized web service manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This error usually occurs when your software throwing the error is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of your software throwing the error to replace required files such as Libidn.dll. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libidn file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image// restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Remember that Libidn.dll operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Libidn and maintaining system health. Thank you for trusting us with Libidn repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.